Hello guys, today's video is about Maven. We will download and configure Maven to use from command line on Windows 10. This procedure will also apply on Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 11. Maven is the most widely used build automation tool, and it is always good to use and configure the frameworks to be used on CLI. For the new programmers, it is very useful. Let's begin by downloading Maven. Search Maven download. You will see Maven download official site. Go to the site, and this is the latest version of Maven 3.8.6 at this time. So for Windows, you need to download this file, binary zip archive file. We don't need source code. This is fair enough to use. Just download it. You do not need to install this application. So go to C drive and let's say create folder, call it frameworks, to keep the other frameworks at the same place, and copy it here. It's still downloading. Okay, done. And copy it here, extract it here. Okay, let's keep it outside so that we will have shorted path. Copy, paste. You can clean up this, just delete it to clean up. Okay, now let's set the path so that we can use it anywhere from the computer. So environment, okay, click environment variables. Same way we will add a Maven home in the system variables, so it will be visible to every user throughout the computer. Okay, new Maven home, and browse to the directory we created in the C drive. C drive frameworks and select Maven. Okay, and now added the path variable. Edit, add new path, percentage Maven home percentage and backslash bin. Make sure you enter percentage and then backslash and bin. Click OK to close all the windows, and you can close this one also. Open CMD. Okay, let's check our path is set. So echo percentage Maven home percentage. Okay, we have it here. Let's check version. Echo mvn minus version. Okay, this will print all the details of the package and tool to be implemented here, along with the Java and other dependencies. Okay, we are good to use this tool through any computer folder, and we can create Maven projects, and I will show you how to create projects in future videos. Thank you guys, that's all for today. Have a good day.